So what's the one thing that's most important to an Amazon influencer? And I would argue to say that's clicks, getting more clicks, getting as many clicks as you can, because as we know, clicks lead to sales, lead to purchases, right? Lead to watching your videos. So we need clicks. What do we do to get more clicks? Stick to the end of this video. I'm going to show you, we're going to tell you, we're going to talk about how to get more clicks. Amazon is famous for around the middle of the month, towards the third week of the month, somewhere in there, where they steal back, they throttle back the program. Everybody gets less clicks. Everybody gets less and less clicks. They're getting half the clicks that they used to get. Everybody's complaining in all the chats, all the Facebook groups, the Reddit threads, all of that stuff. That everybody's complaining. My views, my clicks are down. My clicks are down. We're going to discuss how to increase your clicks. Now we can break this down. When there's a carousel, you're up against a certain amount of other videos are up there. And the past couple of years that I'm in the program, it's been thumbnails are a waste of time, only thumbnails with generic photos, only thumbnails that have stills from the video in it, showing the product. So and other people saying it doesn't matter at all, and some people say it does. I would say as the program gets more and more saturated, and I don't mean saturated in a bad way where there's too many, there's just more competition. Okay, you're up against more competition. You want to get people's attention to get the click. So I would think a thumbnail would have something to do with that. Okay, as you know, on YouTube, the thumbnail stops the scroll. Okay, so that what they say on YouTube is the thumbnail gets your attention, stops your scroll. Okay, oh, what's that? Then it's the title, and the title leads to curiosity. Okay, so the title has got to be something open-ended that's going to make them want to click. Say, what is that about? Between the thumbnail and the title, that has to work together to get the thumbnail stops the scroll. Stop the scroll. They're moving around on social media. They're looking for something. What's that? You have to be that what's that. All right? You have to be that what's that. And when you're that what's that, they stop. Now they're looking at it. Now they're deciding whether they want to click. They read the title. The title's got to be something to engage and make them click. Okay, so that's how you get the click. Thumbnail and title. Thumbnail and title. Now I know that's controversial because that's a YouTube method. That's YouTube thinking. YouTube strategy. At the beginning of the Amazon Influencer Program, when you weren't up against a lot of people for competition, thumbnails probably didn't matter. They were just looking for the product. Now they're looking for what's going to answer their question. What is their question? That's how you get the click. That's only half the battle. Now that they've clicked, you've got to keep them engaged for 30 seconds. Hold on a minute. That's not all. It gets harder than that. Don't let them go to another video. You've lost the commission. You have to entice them to make the sale in that video. So what are we talking about here? Talking about a thumbnail to stop the scroll. We're talking about a title to get the curiosity, to get the click. Then we're talking video quality, engagement, in order to keep them engaged for 30 seconds and make a purchase. That's your formula for Amazon Influencer Program. So how do you keep them watching? The first 3 to 5 seconds needs to be something exciting, needs to be something intriguing, needs to be something that's going to get their attention. They're going to say, what? So they're going to want to watch. Suck them right in. Don't start off by saying, hi, I'm Miriam from Topeka, Kansas, and they sent this to me for free to review. Don't start off by saying that. You do have to disclose that you got an item for free if you got it for free. But don't start off like that. Start off with 3 to 5 seconds of excitement, intriguement. Show them the product working. Show them a blooper from the video. Maybe your camera fell over, or maybe your kid walked in, or maybe the cat jumped up on you. Do something in that first 3 to 5 seconds that's going to get them to want to see the rest of it. And then I would say no fluff. It doesn't matter how long the video is, because if they click off, what it really is you got to get them to make a purchase. So how do you get them to make a purchase? And how do you get them to make a purchase and get your video approved? Because you can't say buy it now, or in your video it won't get approved as a shoppable video. You can't say get yours today. Anything like that. What you could say is, and that's what made me buy. Something like that. That's what made me buy. That's when I decided I should buy it. That's when I was happy that I bought it. Or It made my life so much easier. I really wish I would have bought it sooner. You can also look up trigger words if you want to be that much in depth to it. There are certain trigger words that get people to make actions. Leave a comment in the comment section. What kind of words, what trigger words do you use to get sales? To wrap it up in a nutshell, if you watch the whole video, this is what we talked about. Video thumbnail stops the scroll, right? Gets their attention. The video title gets curiosity, and so that they want to click. So that's how you get the click. Thumbnail, title. First 30 seconds of the video needs to be something intriguing, needs to be something funny, needs to be something exciting, like I said. And you need to use certain trigger words in order to get the sale. So like and subscribe, obviously. We try to showcase different strategies for the Amazon Influencer Program and different ways to make money online. Do you have an email list, and can you retarget your customers, or do you lose them after you target them the first time? You need an email list. Watch this next video that's coming up. It's going to show you why you need an email list and how easy it is to build.